Ready? Start. This criminal appeal arises out of the judgment and order dated 30-4-1981 passed by 6th Additional Judge, Manpuri in Sessions Trial number 512 of 1980, whereby the appellants were convicted and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 3 years under sections 304/149 IPC and for a further period of imprisonment of 6 months under section 323/149 read with section 147 IPC full stop. Both the sentences were ordered to run concurrently full stop para 2 dot. As the appellant dash Prayag Singh has died, the appeal filed by him has already abated by order of this court dated 28-1-2004 full stop. Apart from Prayag Singh and the other 4 appellants, namely, Prithvi Singh, Parmal, Nawab Singh and Ramveer Singh, one other person, namely, Shankar, had been made an accused in the FIR, full stop. As he had died during the pendency of the trial, his case has abated by orders of the trial court, full stop, para 3 dot. I have heard Shri S.P. Tiwari, learned counsel for the appellants and the learned AGA, full stop, para 4 dot. In short, the facts of this case are that there was some dispute going on between Prayag Singh, Prithvi Singh and others on one side and Girivar Singh and Bachchan Singh and others on the other, full stop. Proceeding under sections 107/116 were pending in the court of SDM, Shikohabad, full stop. On account of this enmity, on 14-8-1980, when the deceased Girivar Singh along with his brother Bachchan Singh were going to Shikohabad, on the way near the field of Harcharan and Mathuri, the 6 named accused persons assaulted them with lathis and code Kanta uncode on the exhortation of Prayag Singh that they should be taught a lesson for indulging in endless litigations and they should be done to death, full stop. On hearing the cries, informant dash Ramesh, Girish, Rajendra and Niranjan arrived at the spot, full stop. Girish, who tried to intervene, also received some injuries, full stop. On the cries of the witnesses, the accused left the spot saying that the victim has been saved on this occasion, but he would be done to death later, full stop. Thereafter, the informant proceeded to the police station. Nagla Khangar with the injured Girivar Singh, Bachchan Singh and Girish and lodged the report on 14-8-1980 about 10:45 am, full stop. The report was initially lodged under sections 147/323/324/325 IPC, full stop. Constable Gulshan Singh, PW8 took down the written report and prepared check report on its basis, full stop. Thereafter, the investigating officer SI Atar Singh, PW5 recorded the statements of Girwar, Bachchan and Girish under section 161 CRPC and sent the injured for medical examination to Shikohabad Hospital, full stop. The investigating officer then proceeded to record the statements of informant dash Ramesh, Rajendra and Niranjan Singh and then proceeded to the spot, and prepared site plan as indicated by the informant dash Ramesh, full stop, para 5 dot. Medical examination was conducted on injured Bachchan Singh on 14-8-1980 at 3:20 pm, full stop. Girivar Singh on 14-8-1980 at 3:30 pm and Girish on 14-8-1980 at 3:40 pm by Dr. M.L. Agarwal, PW1 at Civil Hospital, Shikohabad, full stop. The doctor found the following injuries on the person of Bachchan Singh, para within bracket 1 LW in triangle, comma, each line 1 centimeter long into up to bone deep on right eyebrow dash clotted blood present, full stop, para. Within bracket 2, multiple contusion of various sizes overlapping each other on right shoulder blade, comma, shoulder joint and outer surface of upper 2/3 of right arm, within bracket number more than 20, bracket close, size 6 cm into 2 cm to 8 cm into 2 cm dash red.